Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use black color. And now we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. The next one is C. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. First we use the color of yellow. Now we draw F. The next one is G. G for goat. Kids, now we draw H. We again use yellow color and draw H. The next one is I. And now we draw J. The next one is K. Now we draw the alphabet of L and use green color. The color of green. And draw L. The next one is M. We again use green color and now we draw N. The next one is O. And now we draw P. Kids, the next one is Q. Now we draw R. We again use green color and now we draw R. Kids, now we use blue color. Now we use blue color. S. And the next one is T. And now we draw U. We again use blue color and now we draw V. The next one is W. And now we draw X. Now we draw Y. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.